Good morning and welcome to your market update for Wednesday, May 20th, 2026. The mood on Wall Street is decidedly bullish today. Green arrows are flashing across the board. So let's dive right in. Starting with the major indices. The S&P 500 is up 0.7%, sitting at 738.86. The Nasdaq is leading the charge, climbing 1.1% to 709.24. And the Dow Jones is not far behind, gaining 0.9% to reach 498.43. Broad-based strength across the board this morning. Now let's check in on the Magnificent Seven and today's biggest movers. Tesla is the standout star, surging 2.05% to trade at $412.39. Nvidia is right behind it, rallying 1.75% to $224.48. The AI chip giant continues to attract heavy interest. Amazon is also posting solid gains, up 1.42% at $263.03. Apple is barely in the green, inching up just 0.25% to $299.70. And then there's the one name bucking the trend. Alphabet is slipping 0.8% to $384.48. That weakness comes as Google I/O kicks off today. And interestingly, AI leaders have been under some selling pressure lately. Let's move to commodities where the story gets really interesting. Gold is climbing 1% to $415.65 per ounce. Silver is outpacing it with a strong 2.45% jump to $68.54. But the big headline here is oil. West Texas Intermediate is crashing 5.44%, falling to $144.64 a barrel. That is a significant move and one worth watching closely in the sessions ahead. Over in crypto, Bitcoin is holding firm above $77,000. It's up 0.6% at $77,160. Ethereum is also ticking higher, gaining 0.7% to trade at $2,130.52. Steady and quiet on the digital asset front today. Unfortunately, Forex data is unavailable this morning, so we'll skip past the currency pairs and jump straight into the headlines. First up, Investors Business Daily reports that futures fell overnight as AI leaders continued to slide. That could explain some of the pressure we're seeing on Alphabet today. Meanwhile, the Seattle Times highlights that the bond market is rumbling again, showing enough power to sway both stocks and policy decisions. That's always a story worth tracking. And in a fascinating talent move, TechCrunch reports that OpenAI co-founder Andrej Karpathy has joined Anthropic's pre-training team. That is a major shakeup in the AI world and signals intensifying competition at the frontier. So to wrap it all up, bulls are firmly in control this morning. Tech is leading, commodities are mixed, and oil's sharp decline stands out as the session's wildcard. Watch for any follow-through on that oil sell-off heading into tomorrow. Keep an eye on Google I/O announcements and whether Alphabet can recover. And the bond market rumblings could set the tone for the rest of the week. That's your morning market update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you right back here tomorrow.